wanna say thank you for all my subscribers, okay, at saka sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta po sa aking channel. Okay guys, so my topic today is all about present tense of the verb at saka present progressive tense of the verb, okay. So guys, pinakasimpleng technique ang aking gagawin ngayon para guys, madali nating matandaan. Okay guys, wag na tayong magpaligoy-ligoy pa. Guys, kahit ano pang tawag nila dyan, okay, ang tawag ko dito guys is formula. Okay, parang matya may formula. So, ito yung forms niya. Okay, so para hindi tayo marong grammar guys, dapat alam natin kung paano mag-form. Okay, kung may S ba siya o wala. Kung ano bang be verbs ang gagamitin natin. Kung ano ba siya, is or okay. So guys, ito yung singular subjects. Okay, yung siya, okay? Pag lalaki, he. Pag babae, she. Okay? All about things and animals. Okay? Pwede mong sabihin na it. O kaya yung mga nouns. For example, exercising, ano pa. Marami pa. Basta tungkol sa nouns. Okay? Gumagamit tayo ng it. Sometimes, gumagamit din tayo ng it sa mga alaga nating hayop tulad ng cat, okay, dog. Okay? Kaya lang, pag hindi natin alam kung anong gender, pero pag alam natin kung anong gender ng alaga nating hayop, pwede tayong gumamit ng he or she. Pero kung hindi natin alam kung anong gender, pwede tayong gumamit, mostly ang gamitin is it. Okay? Kasi ginagamit talaga yan sa animals, all about things. Okay? It. Okay? Tapos yung I, ako, we, tayo, kasama ako na nagsasalita, okay, tayo. Tapos, pag ang kausap mo, ikaw, you, okay, sila, they. Tsaka yung they, guys, dalawang klase ng they, okay. Pag sinabing they, sila, okay, mga tao, marami sila, okay. Halimbawa, si Peter, at saka si John, Peter and John, okay. So, pwede mong gawing, para mo convert mo yung pronouns, okay, panghalili sa pangalan yung pronoun. Sabi mo sila, they. Pero pwede rin they, tumutukoy sa maraming bagay. Okay? For example, the dogs, marami sila. Okay? Yung cats, marami sila. So, gagamit ka rin ng they. Okay, guys? Sa mga previous lesson ko, hindi ko na-discuss yan. Okay? So, ngayon, i-discuss ko sa inyo. Okay? Na yung they, hindi lang tao. Yan. Okay? Tumutukoy sa maraming bagay. Maraming hayop, maraming bagay. Walang ganun. Okay? So, guys, yung he, she, at saka it. Okay, he, she, it. Okay. Tandaan natin sa present tense of the verb. Okay. Sige, guys, yung present tense of the verb, pag ginagamit yung guys, lagi nating ginagawa araw-araw, paulit-ulit. Okay? So, halimbawa, guys, nang lagi nating ginagawa, every Sunday, okay? Okay, halimbawa ako, I go to church, okay, every Sunday. Okay? So, yun yun. So, guys, tandaan natin yung he, she, at saka it. Yung verb niya is with S. Okay? Lalagyan mo ng S. Tapos, yung, ito naman, I, we, you, at saka they. Okay, yung verb niya, guys, pagdating sa present tense of the verb, okay, walang S. Okay? Walang S yung verb. Okay? Pag sinabing verb, guys, meron tayong tinatawag na base form of the verb. Pag sinabing base form of the verb, yan yung pinakasalitang ugat ng verb. Okay? Walang halong S, walang halong D or ED. Okay? For example, yung salitang play. Okay? Play, maglaro. Okay, play. So, susulat dito na lang. Okay, yung salitang play, tandaan po natin, So, yan yung base form of the verb. Okay? So, guys, daw dito, may S, dito naman walang S. So, ito sasagutan natin, guys, So, for example, ako lagi naglalaro ng computer games. Oh, okay. So, lalagyan natin to. So, lagyan natin ng, teka. Maganda kasi, guys, kung maganda yung pagkakasulat ko para, okay. Sagutan na natin, guys, Actually, guys, gusto ko sana to na sagutan na. Kaso guys, gusto ko nakikita nyo na nagsusulat ako. Okay? Okay, yan yun. Okay? He plays, she plays, it plays. So, for example, si Peter, okay, naglalaro siya ng computer games every single day. Okay, every day. Okay? So, he plays computer games. Okay? She plays computer games every day. Ganon. Okay? So, next. Dito ay, so, ayan guys, may S ha. Ito, sabi without S. Okay, walang S. Okay? Tandaan na. So, guys, yung we, ganon din. Marunong po ba kayong mag-convert ng names into, pronoun? Sa mga beginner guys, itong we, kasama, ikaw na nag-uusap, may kasama ka, okay. Halimbawa, ako yung nag-uusap. Ako yung nagsasalita. Sorry guys. Ikaw na nagsasalita, may kasama ka. Okay, kami. Okay, for example, kami, Peter, John, and I, okay, kami. Okay. So, yung we, pwede mong palitan ng pangalan. Okay. Peter, John, and I. So, ibig sabihin yung kami. Okay. You, ikaw naman. Ikaw. Yung they, pwede mong sabihin yung the dogs. Okay. The dogs. Pag sinabing the dogs, pag i-convert mo yun sa pronoun, they. Okay. They. Okay. Tapos yung naman, yung they, pagdating sa verb naman, ay sa noun. For example, John, Peter, okay, and Jenny. Okay? Instead na they, sabihin mo, John, Peter, and Jenny play. Okay? Pero, sa pinakamadaling salita, gamit ka na ng they. Okay? Huwag mo nang isa-isahin yung pangalan nila. Okay? So, they play. Okay? So, next guys, ito na. Sa present progressive tense of the verb. Example ng present progressive tense of the verb, yung on time of speaking, right now, okay, so right now, I am teaching, okay, right now, I'm making a video, okay, right now, you are listening, okay, so on time of speaking, meron kang verb in progress, so merong nangyayari, habang ikaw ay nagsasalita, so yun, okay. So guys, ito yung forms niya. Okay, gagamit ka ng is plus ing ng verb. Okay? Itong ing na yan, guys. Ing of the main verb. Okay? Verb. Ganon din to, guys, ha. Hindi lang basta ing. Ibig sabihin yan, guys, yung verb or yung base form of the verb, lalagyan mo siya ng ing. Okay, so sagutan na natin, guys. So, dapat magkaiba na lang ang kulay. So, gamit tayo dito ng red and blue. Okay, so, ito, yung he, she, at saka it, gamit ka ng is. Okay? Next, yung verb, di ba gumamit tayo ng play, constructive. Gawin na natin to, guys. Play. Sorry guys, gusto ko ay magkaibang kulay eh. Ayan. Playing. Okay, nakikita niyo po ba? Ayan. So guys, dapat lagi kayong magaganito. Kahit pa ulit-ulit guys, kahit 25 times pa yan. Basta matuto lang kayo. Next, dito na tayo. Dito pag ang katumbas na to be verb niya is am. Okay? Ito naman, are. The rest, are na. Okay? Tapos, plus yung verb, may ing rin. Okay? Playing. Madali lang mag-aral ng ganito, guys. Basta, dapat pag nag-aaral kayo, excited kayo dapat. Okay? Excited kayo na matuto. Huwag niyo isipin na mahirap, guys. Okay? Ako, hindi ko iniisip na mahirap kasi. Kaya madali lang ako matuto. Okay? So, guys, explain ko sa inyo, guys, ha. Pag present progressive tense of the verb, okay, ito yung forms niya. Okay? He, she, at saka it. Susunod yung is. Okay? Susunod yung verb niya, dapat may ing. Okay? So, hindi pwedeng he is playing. Okay? He is playing, di pwede yan, wrong grammar. Okay, so dapat yung after ng is, may ing na yung verb. Okay, next. I am, we are, you are, they are. After that, okay, ng to be verbs na to, merong ing after verb. Okay, so, ano napansin nyo guys? Ang pinagkaiba lang niyan guys is ito. Okay, he, she, it. Okay, magkakaiba sila ng nandyan. Pero, the same yung verb niya. Ang verb niya may ing. Okay? So, guys, merong rules. Okay? So, meron na kayong idea kung saan ginagamit yung present tense of the verb. Okay? Pag-aaralan natin yung mga palatandaan niyan, guys. Okay? Tapos, guys, hindi ko alam kung sa mga susunod kong videos, guys. Abangan nyo, guys, ha? Kasi ang susunod kong videos, yung rules kung paano ka maglalagay ng S para sa verb. Okay? At saka, ano yung rules? Kasi guys, ito, halimbawa ito. Halimbawa lang ito guys. Pero meron na akong other video dyan. Other video na sa previous video ko, na-discuss ko. Okay? Kung paano maglalagay ng S dito. Halimbawa ito. Kasi ang katabi nito guys, A, E, I, O, U. So, lalagyan mo lang siya ng S. Okay. Ito naman, ang katabi niya, consonant. Kaya, ang gagawin mo dyan, para maglagay ka ng S, tatanggalin mo yung Y, then add I-E-S. So, di ba? Magkaiba. Pero, meron ding, halimbawa, ito, clean, cleans. So, maglalagay ka lang ng S. Okay? Tapos guys, ito naman, meron ding rules kung kailan ka maglalagay ng ing. Okay? For example, yung run. Okay, run. Magiging running. Okay? Running. So, na-double yung N niya. Okay? Eat. Eats. So, eat, eating. Okay? So, walang nabago. Maglalagay ka lang ng ing. Tapos, ano pa ba? Marami pang rules dyan, guys, eh. Halimbawa, yung prefer. Prefer. Okay? Yung prefer, preferring. Okay? Nadoble na naman yung R niya. Bakit may rules na ganyan? Okay? Tapos, ano pa ba? So, i-discuss ko sa susunod kong videos, guys, yung yung rules kung paano ka maglalagay ng ing. Okay? So, ang i-discuss ko na susunod lang muna, guys, yung mga senyales. Senyales or palatandaan kung present tense of the verb o present progressive tense of the verb. Okay? Okay guys, ito na po yung mga signals or mga palatandaan kung kailan natin gagamitin yung present tense at yung present progressive tense of the verb. Okay guys, pag sinabi nating facts, yan yung katotohanan guys. Ano ba yung katotohanan? Yan yung mga bagay na totoo, hindi mo na pwedeng mapalitan. For example, for example, in 1998, the name of the President of the Philippines in 1998 is President Erap Estrada. Okay, so hindi mo na mababago yan. Ano pa? Another one is the earth revolves around the sun. Okay, so yung earth umiikot siya sa sun. Okay, so hindi mo na mababago yan. So gagamit ka talaga ng present tense of the verb. Second, yung habits or routine. Mayroon tayong habits. Ano ba yung ginagawa natin araw-araw? For example, ako, I go to church every Sunday. Okay? So, gagamit ako ng present tense kasi habits ko siya or routine. Okay? Ano pa? For example, you guys, as a student, okay, you go to school every day. Okay? So, habits and routine. Okay? So, yung dalawang yan, tandaan nyo guys, facts, habits, and routine. So, pag guys, pag nadinig nyo yung every, okay, every day, araw-araw, ano pa? Every Sunday, every Monday, every Saturday, basta ganon. Ano pa? Every month, every year, every semester, every week. Okay? Sinyalis yan guys na Isama natin yung everyday, guys, ha. Everyday, ano pa? Halimbawa, every Sunday, okay? Every Sunday, every Saturday, every Monday, okay? So, pag may salitang every, okay? Present tense of the verb na ang gagamitin mo. So, alam nyo na, guys, kung paano mag-form na. Diniscuss ko na. Next. May mga palatandaan na gamit ang frequency adverbs. Pag sinabi natin frequency adverbs or adverbs of frequency, yan yung gaano kadalas. Okay? Gaano kadalas ang minsan. Joke. So, pag sinabing frequency adverbs or adverbs of frequency, yan yung nagtatanong, gaano kadalas mo ginagawa yung isang action. So, ito yung mga palatandaan ng guys, ito yung mga frequency adverbs. Pag nakita niyo ito, guys, always, okay? I always take a bath. Okay, lagi ako naliligo. Okay, ano pa? Often. Pag sinabing often, tsaka always, ito often, lagi-lagi. Okay? Often, yung parang madalas. Okay? Sometimes, minsan. Rarely, minsan din. Okay? Usually, kadalasan. Okay, kadalasan yan sa Tagalog. Today, for example ng today, halimbawa, you look beautiful today. Okay? Maganda ka ngayon. Okay? You look handsome today. Okay? So, gagamit ka ng today. Okay? Ay, today. Present tense of the verb. Okay? Usually, yung today. Okay na pa? Never. Makikita nyo sa other guys, yung never. Sa ibang tense of the verb. Pero, ginagamit din yung never sa present tense of the verb. Example, si Maria, okay, Maria never goes to school. Okay, si Maria ay hindi, never pa siyang pumasok sa school. Okay, so, she never goes to school. Okay, next. Never, ibig sabihin, hindi niya pa naranasan. Okay, hindi pa siya nakakapunta. So, talagang ganon. Okay, next. Present progressive tense of the verb na tayo, guys. Okay? Ito yung mga palatandaan, guys. Ngayon. Okay, now. Okay? At the moment. Okay? Ngayon din yan. Ibig sabihin, at the moment. Sa sitwasyon ngayon. Okay? Ngayon yun. Ngayon. At the moment. Right now. Ngayon din. So, ibig sabihin din niya ngayon. Okay? So, ngayon, ang time of speaking yan, guys. Ngayon na ako ay nagsasalita, merong nangyayari habang ako ay nagsasalita. So, ano yun? For example, right now, I am teaching. Okay? Right now, I'm making a video. Okay? How about you guys? What are you doing right now? So, I think you are writing. Okay? You are writing, you are listening. Okay? You are watching. Okay? Right now, na nagsasalita ako. Okay? Next. This plus sometime. Pag sinabing this, okay, may mababanggit tayong this plus may sometime. Pag sinabing sometime, yan yung nag-i-indicate kung anong klaseng time. Okay, for example, this semester. Di ba sa college may tinatawag na first semester, second semester. Tama ba? First semester, second semester. Okay, so guys, ito, pag sinabing this plus sometime, pag sinabing sometime, ni-indicate niya kung anong klaseng time. For example, ito, this semester. Di ba, pag college ka, merong first semester, second semester, yan yun. This year, for example, ito, 2019, okay? Ngayong taon na to, okay, this year. This week, itong week na to, this month, itong month na to. So, for example, yung mga action na in progress, for example, ako, for example, ito, this year, I'm taking my master's degree. Okay, so, the whole year, okay, mag-aaral ako ng master's degree ko. So, talaga mahaba in progress. Okay? Kayo guys, ano yung in progress na gagawin ninyo? For example, this week, you are watching my videos. Okay? So, from this day, okay, starting today, hanggang sa umabot ng 7 days, okay, manunood kayo ng video ko. So, mahabang progress yan, okay? This month, ano nga ba yung pwede nyo gawin this month? So, guys, ito na po yung present tense of the verb, okay? Present tense skills, okay? So, number 1, okay, hanapin muna natin yung signals or palatandaan kung kung bakit present tense of the verb yung ginamit. Okay, so number 1, gumamit siya ng usually. Okay, ibig sabihin ng madalas. Okay, usually or kadalasan. Okay, we usually eat dinner at 6 p.m. Pag sinabing eat, okay, we yung subject, kaya guys, yung eat walang S. Okay, we usually eat dinner at 6 p.m. So, madalas kaming kumakain ng dinner at 6 p.m. Ganun yun. So, or kami ay madalas kumain ng hapunan at 6 p.m. Okay, so number 2, Jenny Blanc look beautiful today. Okay, so Jenny daw ay mukhang maganda ngayong araw na to. Okay, so Jenny, isa lang sa singular, kaya yung look magiging looks. Okay, lalagyan natin ng S. Kasi ang katumbas niyan is she. Okay, next, it often rain on Sundays. So, may S ba o wala? Ito yung often, guys. Yan yung palatandaan. Okay, pag sinabing often, madalas. Okay? Okay, rain on Sundays. So, it often rains on Sundays. Next, Jenny and Peter Blanc wash the dishes every night. Okay, so every night, yan, gumamit siya guys ng every night. Okay, pag sinabing every night, tuwing gabi. So, habitual siya or lagi siyang ginagawa, paulit-ulit. Routine, okay? So, ang subject natin, Jenny and Peter. So, para siyang they. Okay, kasi dalawa sila. Kaya they yan, okay? So, kung Jenny and Peter, wash lang to. Wala ng S. Okay? Next. I always read a book. Okay, always yan yung palatandaan niya. Okay, lagi. So, lagi-lagi akong, paulit-ulit akong, nagbabasa. So, ang subject ay I. So, ito ay wala ng S. Okay? I always read a book. So, ako ay laging nagbabasa. Peter sometimes go to the library. Okay? So, may S ba o wala? Si Peter, yan ang subject. Okay? Under siya ng he. Okay? So, dapat may S yung verb. Goes. Okay? Tapos, guys, ito yung sometimes, palatandaan niya, minsan. Okay? Peter sometimes goes to the library. Si Peter, minsan, pumupunta sa library. Okay? Next. Number 7, okay. Peter Blanc breakfast now. Okay, si Peter daw ay gusto ng breakfast ngayon. Okay, gusto na niya kumain ng breakfast ngayon. Ayan, okay, gusto na niya ng breakfast. Okay, gumamit tayo ng now. Bakit now? Tapos, punta siya sa present tense quiz. Now. Eh, di ba pala tandaan niyang present progressive or present continuous tense? Guys, kasi siya, yung now, okay, palatandaan po talaga yan ng present progressive tense. Kaya lang, ang verb na ginamit kasi, want, gusto. Guys, siya, yung want or gusto, yan yung non-action verb, okay, or non-action word. Pag sinabing non-action verb siya, pero hindi ka kumikilos. Okay, for example, yung want, gusto mo siya, okay, pero, hindi ka naman kumikilos. Unlike yung walk, di ba, walking, okay, kumikilos ka. Yung want, hindi ka kumikilos. Kaya, guys, mostly yung non-action verb, guys, hindi ka gagamit ng ing, okay? So, want lang to, yung want, okay, gagamitin natin sa present tense of the verb. Hindi natin gagamitin sa present progressive. Okay, so naintindihan po pag non-action word or non-action verb. Okay, so walang ing. So gagamitin natin siya as present tense of the verb. So, yung want, magiging once. Okay, bakit siya once? Kasi ang subject natin ay si Peter. Okay, katumbas niya na ay he. Okay, so once. Gets nyo guys? Next. Do you blank burger? So, gusto mo ba ng burger? So, ang subject dito ay you. Okay? So, yung like, magiging like pa rin. Okay? Kasi you siya. Next, she blank do not want go to the mall. Okay, guys. Gagamit tayo ng do or does. Okay? So, dahil she, singular subject siya, di ba? Singular. So, ito, does, okay? Does. She does not want to go to the mall. Siya ay ayaw niyang pumunta sa mall. Or ayaw niyang pumunta sa mall. So, does, okay? Next, I blank play computer games. Okay, ako ay nagpe-play. Anong ginagawa mo? For example, may tumawag sa akin. So, ano daw ginagawa ko araw-araw o kaya yung habitual ko, yung favorite hobby ko, okay? So, ano yung yung routine mo, ano yung ginagawa mo lagi. So, hindi ko na minsan, guys, kung ano yung routine mo, halimbawa, ginagawa mo siya araw-araw, tuwing gabi, sometimes, guys, hindi mo na i-indicate kung everyday ba siya, every night, okay, or every weekend, or every month. Sometimes, hindi mo na kailangan sabihin. Kasi, automatic na minsan, pag tinanong ng ng kausap mo, ano yung hobby mo? Ano yung lagi mong ginagawa? So, sabi mo, ako ay naglalaro. Okay? Ako ay naglalaro or I play computer games. Okay? Hindi mo sasabing at the moment. Okay? So, ang sagot dito ay play. Minsan kasi may mga tenses of the verb na hindi mo na kailangan sabihin kung kailan. Okay? Katulad nito, I play computer games. Ibig sabihin, ito, lagi kong ginagawa. Ako ay naglalaro ng computer games. Okay? So, parang pagka tinanong ka, naglalaro ka ba ng computer games? Yes, I play computer games. Yes. Okay? Pero it doesn't, anong tawag dito? Hindi mo na kailangang indicate na, ganun kasi yung guys pag present tense, pag sinabing present tense, okay, may mga palatandaan na ganyan, okay, lagi mong ginagawa. Pero, hindi mo na kailangang ulit-ulitin na lagi mo siyang ginagawa ng every night, every day, okay? Basta alam na ng kausap mo yan na yan, lagi mong ginagawa, habitual mo na, okay? Next. Jenny never wear sandals. Okay, ayan, gumamit tayo ng never. Okay, si Jenny daw ay never pa or hindi nagsusuot ng sandals. Okay? So, talagang nakagawian na niya. Routine na niya na hindi magsuot ng sandals. Okay? So, never, yung wear magiging wears. Okay? Never wear sandals. Okay? Next. I blank si Peter at the moment. Ayan, gumamit tayo ng at the moment. Diba yung guys, yung at the moment, ginagamit yan sa present progressive tense. Bakit siya naligaw dito sa quiz ng present tense quiz? Okay. Kasi guys, yung salitang si, tandaan natin yung si verb siya, okay, pero non-action. Pag sinabing non-action word or non-action verb, yung verb na yan, hindi mo kailangang kumilos. Okay? So, kung hindi mo kailangang kumilos, okay, gagamit ka ng, under siya ng present tense. Yung lang niya, formula niya, or yung forms. Okay? Pero at the moment talaga, nakikita mo siya. Automatic na yon na at the moment, ngayon, on time of speaking, nakikita mo talaga siya. Kaya lang ang paggamit guys, hindi mo sinasabi na I am seeing Peter. Okay, di ba ang pangit guys? I am seeing Peter. Okay? So, I see. Okay, dahil lang ang subject natin guys is I. So, ito, si lang. Okay? See. Pero kung ito she, edi she sees Peter at the moment. So, nag-get nyo guys, ito yung naligaw na to. Itong naligaw na to, ito, ang ibig sabihin ng at the moment, at saka now, ayan, on time of speaking, nagaganap yung pangyayari. Kaya lang, yung forms niya guys, hindi mo siya ilalagay sa present progressive tense. Hindi yun ang form niya. Kasi guys, yung verb na non-action verb, or non-action word, okay, hindi ka kumikills niyan. So, no need na maglagay ka ng ing form of the verb. So, ang magiging form na niya, under na siya ng present tense of the verb. Actually, guys, marami pang klase ng mga non-action verb. Okay, kung magiging ano lang kayo, resourceful, makikita niyo yan sa YouTube or sa Google. Okay? So, pero guys, hindi ko masyadong madidiscuss ngayon yan. Kasi ang talagang i-discuss ko sa inyo guys, yung tamang gamit ng present tense at saka present progressive tense. Okay? So, dun muna tayo mag-concentrate guys, ha? So, susunod na yung test ng present progressive tense. Okay? Hello guys. Ito na yung present progressive. Okay? Present progressive. Parang isa lang din yan guys, ha? Present progressive tense at saka present continuous tense. Kasi, pag sinabing progressive, continue yung action. Okay? Kaya, tinatawag din siyang present continuous tense. So, okay? Tsaka pag sinabing progressive, tsaka continuous tense, talagang yung verb niya may ing. Tapos mayroon siyang V-verbs. Okay? Pag sinabing V-verbs, to be verbs, yan po yung is, or, am, okay? Pag past tense naman niya, was, tsaka were. Okay? Yan ang mga to be verbs. Kaya, mapapansin nyo guys So, ito anuhin na natin guys. Umpisahan na natin. Yung kanina, may mga palatandaan tayo guys So, hanapin natin yung palatandaan. Okay? So, this week, pag gumamit tayo ng this, okay, plus sometime, yung time, kung anong klaseng time yun. Ngayong linggo ba? Ngayong buwan na to? Ngayong taon na to? Okay? O ngayong semester na to? This week, this year, this month? Okay? Okay? So, yan yun. Palatandaan ng present continuous tense. So, this week, I am studying the 8 parts of speech. Okay. Bakit siya kasama ng present progressive? Yung studying the 8 parts of speech. Kasi guys, isang linggo ka na mag-aaral ng 8 parts of speech. Okay. So, continuous yung yung action na gagawin mo. Kaya, gagawin mo siyang at saka temporary lang kasi siya After a week, guys, hindi ka na mag-aaral. This week, okay? This week lang yung mangyayari. Okay? Kaya, under siya ng present continuous tense. Pero kung araw-araw ka mag-aaral ng siguro araw-araw na naging routine mo na, magiging na siya present tense. Pero, nandito tayo sa present progressive ko. Diniscuss ko lang, guys, Kasi, yan hindi natin napapansin, meron palang ganun guys, yung, pag nag-umpisa yung this, tapos yung sometime, kung ano ba this week, o na ang gagamitin pala natin ay present progressive. Okay? So, sagutan na natin. May sagot na guys Sorry guys. Ayun I am. Okay, sa bonus point na lang yan guys Okay? So, my dog blank run to the park. Okay, yung run, i-convert natin sa present progressive. Okay, so, yung dog, singular, kaya ang gagamitin natin ay is. Okay, tapos yung verb niya, dahil ang pinag-uusapan natin, present progressive, talagang merong ing yung verb. Okay. Next, Jenny blank now. Okay, ngayon daw ay nagluluto si Jenny. Okay. So, ang ginamit niya ay now. Okay. So, is cooking. Okay. Next. Peter blank the test at the moment. So, ang ginamit niya at the moment. Okay. Sa kasalukuyan. Okay. Sa sitwasyon na ito. Okay. Nakikita mo si Peter ay is answering Okay, answering the test. Si Peter daw ay sinasagutan yung test sa kasalukuyan. Okay? Next. They blank at the shop now. Okay? Sila daw ay naghihintay sa shop. Okay? Yung wait, ito kasi they, kaya plural siya. Kaya, gagamit tayo ng are. Tapos ito naman, waiting. Okay? So, they are waiting at the shop now. So, sila ay naghihintay sa shop ngayon. Okay? So, gumamit siya ng now. Okay? Next, they blank drink coffee. So, guys, nakikita mo sila. Minsan, guys, pag gagamit tayo ng present progressive, minsan, hindi mo makikita na gagamit tayo ng now, right now, at this moment. Kasi sinasabi mo sa kausap mo, nakita mo kasi kung anong ginagawa nila. So, what are they doing? Pag tinanong ka, what are they doing? Pag sinabing they, bahala na kayo kung sino yung they na yun. Okay? Pwede yung parents niyo. Okay. So, sasabihin mo sa kausap mo, they are drinking coffee. Okay? Are drinking. Okay? What are they doing? Sabi mo, they are drinking coffee. So, for example, what are they doing? Pag sinabing they, halimbawa yung mga estudyante. Estudyante. O kaya ano na lang, yung kamag-anak nyo, yung bisita nyo, what are they doing? Oh, they are drinking coffee. Okay? So, wag mo na sabihin yung at the moment. Kasi, nag-uusap kayo ng kausap mo, ngayon talaga yun. Okay? So, understood na yun. Okay na, at the moment, talagang sila ay umiinom ng coffee. Next. Nakikita mo yung mga estudyante. Ano kayang ginagawa ng mga estudyante ko? Iisipin mo, di ba? For example, you are the teacher. Okay? Pupunta ka sa room. Titignan mo kung anong ginagawa nila. Okay? Okay. The students are writing. Okay? So, sasabihin mo sa sarili mo na sila ay nagsusulat. Okay? Kikita mo. Okay, tinanong mo yung isang estudyante. Anong ginagawa ng mga estudyante ko? Sasabihin mo, sabihin niya, the students are writing. Okay? Next. Blank computer games. Okay? Ano ba? May tumawag sa akin. Okay, what are you doing now? I am playing. Si Peter tumawag. Okay, what are you doing right now? So, sabihin ko, I am playing computer games. Okay? So, next. Kaya, gets nyo guys, habang sinasabi nyo kung ano yung ginagawa nyo, ginagawa ng ibang tao na sinasalaysay mo. Okay, na sinasabi mo. Sometimes, hindi mo na kailangan sabihin yung right now. Kasi minsan, tayo on the spot. Okay, alam na ng kausap natin na ang pinag-uusapan is ngayon. Okay, kaya lang may ganyan may mga ganyan kasi gagamitin lang natin yan sa palatandaan kung kailan ginagamit. Okay? Especially sa writing. Okay? Next. Blank the piano. Nakikita mo si Jenny ngayon. Okay. So, describe mo na ginagawa ni Jenny. Ano ba? May picture dyan. Okay. Nakikita mo siya. Okay. Can you tell me what Jenny is doing right now? Okay. So, Jenny, sabi mo. Kasi gagamit ka na siya. So, Jenny is playing the piano. Okay? Playing. Okay? Jenny is playing the piano. Okay. Okay, nakikita mo sila. Sila yung nagbabasa ng libro, yung mga estudyante. Okay. So, are reading. Okay. Okay, they are reading a book. Okay. Next. My mother blanked the bathroom. Okay. So, anong ginagawa ng mother mo? Halimbawa, yung bisita. So, what is your mom doing? Okay? So, sasabihin mo, my mother is cleaning the bathroom. Okay? My mother is cleaning the bathroom. Okay? Next. We blank studying English at the moment. So, at the moment ngayon sa kasalukuyan. Okay? So, Gamamit siya ng at the moment. Okay, so ang sagot ay we are studying. Okay? So, we are studying English at the moment. Okay? She blank at the party right now. So, gumamit siya ng right now. Okay? Ibig sabihin ngayon yan. On time of speaking. Okay? So, she is dancing. Okay? Kasi singular siya kaya is. Okay? So, she is dancing at the party right now. Okay? So, nag-gets na guys kung saan ginagamit yung tandaan nyo guys sa present progressive or present continuous tense. Isa lang yan. Nang ibig sabihin guys, pag progressive, yung action ay continuous na nangyayari. Okay? Pero guys, itong present progressive, ginagamit yan on time of speaking. So, tandaan natin yung mga signals. Okay? Lalo na po yung formula or yung forms. Paano mag-form. Okay? So, guys, salamat ng marami po sa pakikinig ninyo. Okay?